Hello everybody. There is a drawing that I want you to do for me in this assignment. And the title of the drawing is going to be called Plate Boundary Types. And the first plate boundary type is called a divergent plate boundary. These rectangles represent two tectonic plates, massive pieces of Earth, and they're moving away from each other. That's what it means to have a divergent plate boundary, moving in opposite directions. The next plate boundary type is called a convergent plate boundary. And a convergent plate boundary is the opposite. It has two tectonic plates, two massive pieces of Earth, and they're moving towards each other. And the third type of tectonic plate is called a transform plate boundary. This is all aerial view. It's a bird's eye view. You're looking down from an airplane at these tectonic plates. And a transform boundary, they are moving side to side, moving past one another. Each one of these plate types has a particular stress involved. At the divergent boundary, the stress is tension, like a tug of war moving in opposite directions. The convergent boundary has compression, smushing together. And the transform boundary has shearing, like a pair of shears or scissors. Each one of these plate boundary types has a fault type that's also associated with it. At a divergent boundary, you get a normal fault, that's a break in the rock. At a convergent boundary, you get a reverse fault. Sometimes that's called a thrust fault. And then at a transform plate boundary, you get what's called a strike slip fault. And that is the drawing that I want you to do, so including all the words. Go ahead and draw that. Thank you.